Keeping my cards close to the vest? No. Know when to hold and fold them? No. Using the proper needle? Oh yes. So there are lots of different types of needles, and choosing the proper needle will improve the quality of your project. So one of the things is using the right needle for the right fabric or material that you're sewing upon. For example, this is a leather needle. Got a very, very sharp point that's going to pierce through the leather or vinyl. Okay, I've got Microtex needles, great for sewing through vinyl. Like if I'm embroidering onto vinyl, great thing to have in the stable of needles. Jeans or denim sewing, or if I'm embroidering on jeans or denim, okay. Jersey ballpoint needles or stretch fabric to sew with, or if I'm embroidering onto stretch fabric. This has a ballpoint needle that will actually spread the fibers of the fabric so that I'm not ripping or tearing holes in that fabric. Embroidery needles, great sharp needle with a long groove to protect the thread that I'm embroidering with, and also an elongated eye so that I'm not shredding that beautiful rayon or polyester thread. Metallic needles, obviously for metallic thread. And last, I've got top stitch needles. Anytime I have bobbin thread peeking through, if I'm embroidering or I'm using a delicate thread, I use a top stitch needle. So we've got different kinds of needles, and that determines what we use the needle for. As I mentioned, let's use denim as an example. So I'm going to be sewing or embroidering on denim. Then we've got sizes. So there are different sizes within the types. Okay, so depending on the weight of the fabric and also the thread you're using. The heavier the thread, the larger the needle, because we want the groove on that needle to protect that thread so it doesn't shred. Okay, so use the proper needle for best results. Hope to see you soon.